Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So kids, as you all know that our last lesson of science was lesson number 6 from term 2, that was our basic needs for health. And now today we are going to start a new lesson, new topic from science, lesson number 7, keeping clean and fit for class 1. So all the first class student, I know you know about this term 2 reader, right? From this term 2 only, now we are starting second lesson, that is lesson number 7. Let us not waste our time and start it, because I think this time lesson is really big. It contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages lesson, and that we need to complete within a one video. Okay, yeah. So everyone take out page number 64. Keeping clean and fit. Keeping clean and fit is important for all of us. We must keep our bodies and surroundings clean. To keep fit, we must eat fresh and healthy food. We must take rest, exercise and play. So yes, keeping clean and fit is important. वो सबके लिए important है, because only eating is doesn't mean कि हम फिर भी healthy है. Okay, but apart from eating, apart from wearing good clothes, this is also important that you must keep yourself neat and clean, because if you keep your body as well as your surrounding clean, तो उससे क्या होता है, you will be fit, and if you eat fresh and healthy food, again you will be fit, and every day you must take rest. Sleeping and resting both are different things, and exercise and play. So children, you should play. Playing is very important, and the adults like me and your parents, they should do exercise to keep their body fit. So first one is keeping clean. Let us see how we should keep ourselves clean. Keeping clean is a good habit. We must keep our body clean for good health. After toilet, wash your hands with soap and water. Wash your face, clean your nose and ears, dry it with towel. So yes, how to keep yourself clean. Keeping clean is a good habit, not only good habit, but if you keep yourself clean, इसका मतलब क्या है, you look good. Not only look good, diseases, germs, जो dirt होते हैं, and they will not attack us if you keep yourself clean. So first thing, after toilet, come out, wash, basin is there, you should wash your hand with soap and water. Wash your face also. Clean your nose as well as your ear. For ears you have earbuds also. Using that earbuds you can clean your ears. And then afterwards, cleaning your nose, ears, washing your face, you should wipe it, dry it with a clean towel. Okay, next. When we eat food or sweets, small bits get stuck between our teeth. This can spoil our teeth. Brush your teeth with paste. Keep your tongue clean. Use tongue cleaner, gargle to clean your mouth. So after eating, what happens? Kuch sweet or anything, or even chapati, anything, few items it will stuck into our teeth. हमारे दांतों में गैप्स होते हैं या कुछ भी होता है, उसकी वजह से जो चीज हम खाते हैं वो हमारे दांतों में अटक जाते हैं. It will stuck between our teeth. So if you keep it like that only, it will spoil our teeth. So that's why you should brush it with paste. And tongue, keep your tongue clean also. And for cleaning tongue, for cleaning teeth, we use what? Brush. Every day you brush your teeth? Yes. And to clean our tongue cleaner, tongue. So we have what? We have tongue cleaner. And then afterwards, as you all know how to do a toothpaste process, gargle your mouth. You can see over here. Here the girl is using toothpaste and Colgate, and then your brush. Okay. And the boy here is using tongue cleaner. Tongue cleaner is used to clean the tongue, and then afterwards gargle it. Nails have dirt in them. The dirt passes into our body with food. Cut your nails short with a nail cutter. Yes, I saw many kids. So what they do, they cry if their mother cut their nails, right? But I hope you people doesn't have that habit. Whenever your mother, or whenever you can also see, whenever your nails are grown, you say your mother, or if by yourself, if you can do it, cut your nails. Because what happens, big nails contains germs in it, because you will go to play right on the ground, and there so much of mud is there, and so many things are there where you will play. So it contains dust as well as germs. So it is good if you cut your nails and then If after playing also, come and wash your hands, and then your hands will be germ free. Our body gets dirty and dusty from the air. A good bath cleans our whole body. Take bath daily. Use soap and water to wash away dirt. Rub your body. Use a clean towel. Then again, the process of taking bath. Our body gets the dirt and the germs. How? Through the air. Okay, when your parents go outside and work, so when they go outside, there are lots of dust in the air, traveling, right? So our body gets germs as well as dirt and dusty. So we should take a good bath every day, and you should use what? Soap, water to wash away dirt. Rub your body and use a clean towel. This is a process, everyday process which we do every day, right? हम लोग रोज ब्रश करते हैं, रोज हम लोग टंग क्लीन करते हैं, रोज हम नहाते भी हैं. सो इट इज कंपल्सरी कि ये 3 चीज हमें रोज करनी चाहिए, एंड इट विल कीप योर बॉडी क्लीन. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? नहाने के बाद हम लोग क्या करते हैं? कपड़े पहनते हैं, राइट? लेट अस सी व्हाट इट इज. Wear clean and pressed clothes. Comb your hair properly. Keep your hair neatly trimmed. Wash your hair before and after eating. Okay. So yes. उसके बाद हम लोग अपने आप को सजाते हैं. We wear clothes. So whatever the clothes you are wearing, it should be ironed. It should be pressed properly. And then afterwards, your hair. Comb your hair properly and keep your hair. Boys usually they should cut their hair. They should trim their hair. So see to it कि आपके hair आपके एज के हिसाब से सही हो, राइट? एंड देन वॉश योर हैंड्स बिफोर एंड आफ्टर ईटिंग. Eat slowly and chew well. Eat small bits of food. Use your own plate and glass to eat and drink. Do not lick your fingers. So yes, now breakfast time है, खाने का टाइम. नहा लिए, पहन लिए, तैयार हो गए. अब है पेट पूजा, खाने पीने का टाइम. So what you should do? Slowly. First of all, you should wash your hand before and after, and then afterwards eat slowly and chew well. उसको अच्छे से चबाना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर आप डायरेक्ट कुछ भी खाना डायरेक्ट उससे swallow कर लेते हैं तो चांसेस है कि वो आपके गले में अटक जाए, और अटकने के कारण you will have what? Breathing problem. So take small bits of food and then chew it well, and you should use your own plate and own glass. And you know, especially the South, I have seen the South Indians, after eating they have a habit of उंगलियां चबाने की. They lick their fingers. Don't do that. It will not look nice. Okay. Yes. Keeping clean around you. So yeah, these are somewhat good habits and bad habits we should not do. Flush the toilet after use every time. Every time whenever you are using toilet, you should flush it. Keeping fit. Now, how to keep yourself fit? We need to rest, do exercise and play. It will keep us fit and healthy. Keeping fit to enjoy life fully. So our life process, especially we Indians, we just make few things which is very important to us. That is your mother and parents. Like morning उठो, डैडी काम पे चले जाते हैं, मम्मा घर का काम कर लेती है, खाना पकाना वो सब, एंड खाना फिर घर का काम करना, पापा बाहर का काम करते हैं. That's it. वो सिर्फ इतना ही काम करते हैं. But exercise is also important. Say your parents, say your friends also कि take some time, and apart from all this your work schedule, you should do exercise also, right? Exercise is very important to keep your body fit and healthy. Children, उनको तो खेलने के लिए आदत ही है, उनको खेलने से तो कोई नहीं रोकता. So that is the exercise for the kids. But our parents, as they are having busy schedule, they'll not go for exercise, especially our Indian parents. So that's why ask your mother, say your parents, just take few minutes of time and do exercise, and do yoga also. That is also very good for the health, right? So keeping exercise also very important. Rest and sleep. All day long we work or play, we get tired, we need rest. Yes, every day parents will do work and your children will play, so we get tired and then we want to sleep, we want to take rest. You should sleep about 8 hours every night before going to bed. Brush your teeth. Do not cover your face while sleeping. Keep the window open. Go to bed early and get up early. Sleep gives rest to our body. Rest rebuilds our body. So yes, every day सोने के भी कुछ तरीके होते हैं जिसे हमें जानना ज़रूरी है. जैसे कि सबसे पहला हमें 8 घंटे के लिए रात में सोना चाहिए. सोने से पहले हमें ब्रश करना चाहिए और हमें ब्लैंकेट लेने की आदत है, so do not cover your face with the blanket. Window, if you're having window in your room, keep the window open because it gives a fresh air. And go to bed early, then get up early also. सोने के भी कुछ तरीके, go early, get up early. लेट सोना फिर सुबह 10-10 बजे तक उठना it affect our body. Then sleep gives rest to our body. जब आपकी प्रॉपर नींद रात में हो तो दूसरे दिन आप ऑटोमेटिक एनर्जेटिक रहते हैं. अगर आपकी रात में नींद प्रॉपर ना हो तो मॉर्निंग यू विल फील लेजी, dullness, so many things, right? So that's why sleep is also very important, but time पे सोना चाहिए, then only. Exercise. Get up early in the morning, be fresh, brush your teeth. Yeah, exercise again, last one, early in the morning. Exercise timing is good at morning. So you should get up early, brush teeth, and then go for a morning exercise. Always breathe through your nose, do some exercise. Exercise keeps our body fit and strong. Running or walking is also good exercise. Correct posture keeps us fit. So yes, always breathe. We breathe with our nose only, but sometimes if the nose is blocked, we breathe with our mouth. So, but always breathe with our nose. Exercise keeps our body fit and strong. Running and walking is also good exercise. If a person like they cannot do other types of exercise, but at least get up in the morning, at least do running or walking, it is also good exercise. And correct posture. Some have a habit to just wall है तो wall के साथ खड़े हो जाना या किसी भी चीज को पकड़ के खड़े हो जाना. They have a habit. Don't do that. Just use your correct posture to stand. Play. We should play outdoors every day. Playing makes us fresh. It will keep us fit and healthy. Children, especially for the children, outdoor playing are very good for you. So go outside, play. It makes you fresh and it keeps you fit and healthy. Good habits. Good habits help to keep yourself and your surrounding clean. Yes, apart from this, still a small habits are there which we need to take care. That are called as what? Good habits. Okay. First one, see, you can see here a child is eating his nails, bite his nails. So you should not bite your nails. Do not write on the wall. Usually children, they don't know, but they have a habit to write on the walls. So small children, they should not write. Just make them to write on the book or a slate, but they should not write on the wall. Close the tap after use. Yes, whenever you're washing your hand, you should close it. Keep your things at a proper place after using them. And yes, your things, you have almirah, you have your own cupboard, and you should use your cupboard in such a way that it should look clean, and your room should be it should be like that कि हमारे रूम्स के कहीं भी कोई भी चीज ना हो. सारी खेलो, उसे यूज करो, बट यूज करने के बाद उसे फिर से उसकी जगह पे रख दो. योर रूम विल लुक गुड. ओके, एंड यू विल हैव मोर स्पेस. क्योंकि हर चीज अगर हर जगह पड़ी हुई हो तो आपका रूम आपको छोटा लगेगा और स्पेस कम लगेगी. सो आफ्टर यूजिंग इट, जस्ट कीप दैट. इज दैट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? सो यस, विद दिस वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आवर लेसन. योर वर्क इज टू रीड इट and then watch my video. I'll pass it to you the notes, then you can copy in the textbook or in the classbook. Okay children? Yeah. Take care.